In today's video, let's look at how we can read our Excel data into Python using Pandas. Okay, so let's get started. First, let me create a file. And I'll call it demo.py. Okay. Then what I want to do is import Pandas as PD. So you need to have your Pandas already installed. If you don't have it installed already, you could just do pip install pandas and run it in your terminal. And then after that, so let's go read our data. But first, let me just show you the Excel file. I have a workbook with two worksheets that are pretty similar. It's just that one is for males and the other is for females. But as you can see, the column names are the same: name, age, and country. So go ahead and close that. So when we want to read our data frame, so what we do is we'll name our data frame. In this case, let me just call it df, and would be pd.read excel, and then we pass in the name of the workbook. So in this case, it's demo_book, and then the file type xlsx, save, and then let's print the data frame, see what we get. So run it python demo.py. Okay, so you can see we have a data frame here, and we have some data, but what you notice is that all the names are male names. And so what happens by default is that read Excel, it will only read the first worksheet if you don't pass in any other argument. So in this case, the first worksheet was for the males. So let's clear that and do a slight modification here. So say we want the females worksheet. So then we'll pass in an argument, sheet name equals to, then the name of the worksheet. So in this case, I think the female worksheet was named female. So let's try running that. Python demo.py. Okay, and here you can see that we read our female worksheet into the data frame. Okay, so but what if we want to combine all the worksheets we have in the workbook? Let's say we want to do that. Here's a shortcut that might be handy. So when we pass in the none argument for sheet name, what happens is that Pandas will read the worksheets into a dictionary object, and then we can concatenate the values inside the dictionary into a single data frame to combine the worksheet. So let me show you how that's done. So pd.read excel, like we had before. Okay, and then we pass in the workbook that we want, demo book in this case, not xlsx, and then for the sheet name, we'll pass in none. Okay, and let me just show you that it's a dictionary by printing out the keys. First, dict.keys. Okay, so let me clear this and let's run that Python. Okay, so as you can see here, we've read the Excel Workbook worksheets into a dictionary with the keys as male and female, and this is the worksheet name in your Excel Workbook. So if we were to change this to print the values instead, let's clear this and run. Okay, you can see here that we have both the male and female data here as the values in the dictionary. So now we can combine this by, let's create a new data frame. We could call it df combined or df all. Let's call it df combined. And what we'll do is we'll take our pandas and concat the data. So we want to concat the dictionary.values, and we want to ignore the index. Okay, so now let's just print df combined. Okay, so to recap, we've read our entire workbook into a dictionary object, and then we're going to do a concatenation of the values inside the dictionary object and into a data frame called df combined. So let's clear and let's run our demo.py. Okay, and as you can see here, we have both the males and the females, both worksheets in a single data frame. Hope you found this useful, and I'll be coming up with a couple more Python tutorials in the coming days. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.